Okay, let's see what they have in here. And it's a certified reconditioned Nutri Bullet Rx, which they repaired it and whatever was wrong with it and are able to sell it. So let's see. Okay, we have some foods here. I don't know what that is. And it's been a while since I placed orders for it, so some stuff I forgot. It has a whole lot of paperwork here. I guess that's a warranty or to making a soup blast couldn't be easier, showing you how to prepare the meals, I guess, demonstrating. And this is the warranty. I feel like I remember them having an extended warranty, but, and there goes something there. Oh, the book! Yes! I remember they were pre-ordering this book because it wasn't out at the time, and we were placing orders for them to purchase this book. And it is sealed, so I guess I'll check that out. It looked like it was packaged well. There's another one. It looks totally different from the one that I had. And it's a lot more with it. So everything is out of the box. So now I'm going to open up everything. here are the items that I'm putting inside of my Nutri Bullet Rx, and I purchased this from Sam's Club, the triple berry blend. So you can see it over there like that. I have my frozen bananas. I've learned how to preserve them now so I don't have to waste them. And my chopped spinach from Walmart. Purchased these two items from Kroger. And this is the organic ground ginger. If you have fresh, that's even better, but this is what I have and I'm working with it. And I had some turmeric, and let me get that. My turmeric I purchased from Kroger as well, and that is for the inflammation. Whew, standing up on my feet a lot on my job, and I need relief. Okay, and it's all in here, and you can see I have more chopped spinach than I do of the fruits. And I have my purified water, and I purchased this from Sam's Club as well. I wanted to show you as well this right here. I hope you can see it. You see this little rubber thing in here? Don't throw this away. I was looking for a review of someone showing me not to throw it away, but no one that I've seen on YouTube that I've watched have mentioned this, and I didn't see it on the I guess I looked at one of the home shopping networks. They did not. I didn't hear from the recording that they mentioned it either. So don't throw that away. I saw it on one person's video, and they were putting their they were getting ready to blend something, and I glanced, and they had a glance of it, and I saw that it was in there. So I was wondering if it was just a guard to protect us from being boxed and everything, just a protective guard, but it is not. So do not throw this away. And I'm getting ready to put everything together, and this is what unlocks and locks it and helps to open it, because sometimes it can be slippery when you're trying to unscrew the lid right here. So this goes on like this. Hopefully I can put it on there. Yeah, and you turn one way to unlock and one way to lock. Okay, and I will put everything together. Okay, I'm now going to start to blend everything together, and I use the entire water bottle. And I crush this so it helps to make my trash compact, and I don't, fill it up so quick by just empty bottles that are just left there taking up a lot of space. And, oh, I'm sorry. And I did turn it on over here. So the light is on, and I don't need to push the green button because I'm not making soup. I'm going to just slide it in, and then start on its own. And this I'm sorry, I was talking while it was blending. It will pause in the middle and then speed back up in between the process of blending everything together. And if you feel like it is not blending everything together, or it's not blended the way, emulsifying it like you want it to, wait 1 minute and then blend it again. But do not go past 2 minutes of blending something inside of they do not recommend you blending something more than twice because of whatever reason. But anyway, and they said, I think it's some nuts, but when you read the manual, they will explain to you what not to blend inside the blender. And this is my review on this blender. I really like it, and this is not my first one. The other one I had, the motor exploded. It run its course, and I did use it. And this is how you open it. And I'm sorry I cannot do that for you because I am using my hand to hold my camera. So I hope this review was very helpful to you. And let me turn this off. I do recommend this blender. I like it. It's bigger than the other one I had. I think I had the 600. Or was it the 900? It might have been the 900. But the last blender I had, it was great. It did what I needed it to do. I would recommend you not immersing this in water. So hope you can go out and get yours, or if they do have it to where it's refurbished, you know that it is still a good product. And I did save money by purchasing it from Ollie's. Be blessed.